Hi, I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2011 Mazda CX-7. I'm going to be replacing the left rear, driver's side rear power window motor. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. A small flat tip screwdriver, 3 different types of door trim panels, Phillips screwdriver, some heavy duty silicone spray, dielectric grease, 1/4 inch ratchet, 10mm socket, and a 1/4 inch extension. Okay, if you hear this or this, that means inside of your power window motor there's some plastic gears that are stripped, so we're going to be replacing the motor. This is a brand new power window motor, not a rebuilt, I'm going to be using today to do this job. The brand I'm using is a ACI, part number boy 88869. Okay, so I'm going to be removing this inner door panel, but first we're going to have to remove this plastic covering. Okay, with a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew this screw. There's another screw right in here. There's a piece of felt covering it, so we're going to have to remove the felt. So remove this screw. So I'm going to be removing this plastic panel. There's this plastic clip that's still stuck on there, so we're going to be removing this clip. Then we're going to be putting it back on this plastic panel. So now I'm going to be prying the panel outwards. Okay, so now I'm going to be removing these 2 cables. And this electrical connector right here. So you need to press this little tab and then pull it out. Okay, so we're going to be removing this electrical connector. What you need to do is press this little tab in and pull it out. Now we're going to be removing these 3 screws with a 10mm socket. So now we're going to be installing the motor. This gear's got to line up with this. If it's slightly off, you gotta kind of like wiggle it around, or maybe kind of turn it a little bit and kind of make it go right in. Tighten it up. So I'm going to be putting some dielectric grease. I'm going to be removing all these broken plastic retainers, and I'm going to be putting new ones on. So now I'm going to be putting on these new clips. Okay, so I'm going to be putting on some dielectric grease. Now we're going to be connecting the switch. Okay, so now before we do anything else, let's make sure this window works. So turn the key on 2 clicks to the on position, and then we're going to operate the window. So we're going to make sure this window goes down and up. So we're going to be connecting these 2 cables. Okay, now we're going to be hooking on the panel. Okay, we're going to be installing this plastic covering. Installing this screw. Okay, putting back the felt. Now we're going to be installing this screw for the door handle. And this plastic cover. Okay, I'm going to be rolling the window all the way down. Now with my silicone spray, I'm going to be shooting it all into the track. This is a lubricant. Okay, so now we're going to roll up the window. Now it's nice and smooth. So that's how you replace a power window motor. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe, give me my thumbs up, and I'll see you in the